Hey guys, it's been a while. It's been actually a week or like more than a week since I've recorded a video like this, on YouTube, and that's because I'm sick. I had COVID, so I didn't really feel like recording or talking during the videos. I was when I was talking, like, I barely talked in those videos, and I realized I started implementing a new kind of trading to my trades. I still kind of am sick, but I started implementing some kind of new trading tactics into my trading. Um, so my trading days, just to get into a trade, kind of took way longer. It was like more like 3 hour videos, 2 hour videos than the normal hour and a half videos that I post out there, because I'm waiting for the setup to occur, and I'll get into all of that in a minute. So I mean, I definitely started trading this strategy, uh, far past when I had COVID, but I think it just occurred um, inside my trading hours and my normal trading hours. Uh, so I don't know. I feel like I don't know. The videos were very long. They were like 3 hours, 4 hours long, and it was really annoying. And I didn't feel like uploading it because it was just all trading with no talking. Like, and I would wait like hours, or like an hour in between each trade to get back in. So yeah, I'll record. I'll just tell you guys what I did. Um, Throughout the week. It was the 18th, when the day first started. I'll go through a couple trades. I'll do a couple trades because I know I'm not gonna be I'm gonna just show you a couple trades, because then if I show you a couple trades, you'll probably get the gist of my strategy. Even just off one, if you just know how to recharge, you'll probably get the gist of it. So this one was Exxon. It was on. It was at 10 o'clock. So it was right here. Was right here. So I got in. I thought this was the ABCD pattern right here. I decided to jump in here, think we were going to cover it back to the highs. This 5 minute candle broke and then flushed back down, and I got out, and then went back a little bit, and I got out of that trade. The next trade I took was on Baba on the 18th at 11:05. So there was this pullback on the on this one. It was a pullback, but there was no ABCD pattern at these highs. Actually, there was. It was right here. But see, the problem with this is I probably didn't see it or something. This would have been a good trade, clean setup. I didn't get into that. I don't know why. Um, Let me look. 11:05. Yeah, this is a pullback. This is a kind of a pivot, and we dropped, and I made money on this. The last XM one I lost money on. This one was kind of a small winner, but this definitely would have been a big winner if I got into this. I don't know why I didn't. But that you can see a pullback, 5 minute pivot is the ABCD pattern, and then you drop in and you get to move. Um, Let me go to AMD. I'll just pick a couple trades from each day to show you guys. Um, this is the 18th again. And again, I can probably pinpoint these out. but I'd rather just get this over with. Some of them are longer in the day too, so this one was at 110. Oh, it was probably this short right here, yeah. So it was a sell off, pull back above VWAP, which is kind of sketchy. I jumped in right here at this, and then we rode this all the way back down, and I did pretty good on that. So that was the 18th. I had an Amazon trade on that, but I won't. I'll skip it. The 20th. We'll just go to the 20th. I did trade on the 19th. I did fairly well. I got 2 green trades. I did bad in the beginning of the 20th. Then I recovered, and then the 21st I did terrible. Let's go to the 21st now. 21st. Let's look at Babo again. 21st. I'm just sticking between these ones because I know how they are. I can go over yesterday's trades as well because they're pretty good, pretty easy as well. I could probably pinpoint this if I look at it. It's probably right around here. Nope, it's actually up here. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. So this I remember this trade. So I got in, thinking that this was a pullback right here. We came back up. This was actually very good. We pulled all the way back up here, and we kind of consolidated right before we broke out. I got in right here. We had this big move. I got some outs, but the problem was that we rejected and came back down. That's my that was my out. So I got some of it out up here in this position over here, my 1-to-1 and my 2-to-1, but my 3-to-1 failed and we dropped back through. So I kind of made a small amount on that. Actually no, it was a pretty good amount. Let's go to Amazon, AMZN. Let's see what I traded on Amazon. Probably 1 o'clock. Let's go. Here we go. Yep. Right here. Yeah. Kind of makes sense right here. Kind of choppy, this ABCD pattern right here, but I got in at this high, kind of choppy, chopped me out, and I got out for a loss. My next loss was a smaller one, and it was on Apple, and then I got one out on Amazon and Apple at the same time, because I was trading both of them at the same time. They were both making the same pattern, and I can show you guys that if you want. Right here, I think it was. Pretty sure it was right here. So we had this pivot, this push down, move back up. I got in right here. How did I lose money on this? I don't know how I lost money on this. 240. Wait a minute. I got in right here. Oh, that's stupid of me, I guess. Can't believe I got in right here. Okay, this is not good. I mean, the setup was back here, and the 5 minute didn't even finish up on that candle. It finished over around here. So I guess I shouldn't have even taken this trade. And if I did, it should have been back here. This would have been a winner. Let's see, Apple. So I messed up right here. I got in on that trade, which was terrible. Let's look at Apple on the 21st. Again, let's see how I lost on this one. This one kind of makes sense how I lost on it. 151? 147. How am I entering over here? What made me think to enter there? Let me check this actually. Because right there does not look like any setup. Right there. Maybe while I was trading, I kind of it looked like it, but to me right now, it doesn't look like one. 13 right here. Oh, is it 2? It's 250. It's 250, guys. I'm sorry about that. I'm a bozo. What? This doesn't even make sense either. How did I get in here? These are a terrible trade right here. I'm guessing. I don't know. These were terrible trades. Just how it looks is terrible. Or 241. I went long. See, this is crazy to me right now. This is beyond me right now. Oh, I thought this was a pullback, and then I got in up here. That makes sense. Okay, I got in for longs, and it wasn't for longs. It was for shorts, um, which was terrible. And then again, I got in here. Probably the same thing right here. This false break, right here on the 5. Um, this one probably looks even worse. Yeah, look at that. So I probably got in around here. We shot up right through, and we rejected again. So these are false breakouts on the 5. This was a clear one, but the apple was kind of harder to see. So that was that. And then I'll show you guys my trades from tomorrow, and then we can get into my metrics. I took a trade on AMD yesterday. AMD was a pretty easy trade. We kind of wrote it down all the way down here. But let me see when I got out at our AMD. So I showed short at 1124, probably around here. Yeah. I got in right here as we broke down 88.65. I got in, right? Yeah. I got in right here because we got this pullback and it was kind of a M pattern right here. I got in. We rode this all the way back down, and it was an easy trade. And then again, Amazon kind of worked out again too. Amazon worked out fairly nice. I guess my outs are kind of terrible though. Not terrible, but like choppy because when I got out, it got me out kind of earlier. But it was up here at 12. Sold short at 12 or 1 o'clock almost, so probably around there. Yes, we had this kind of flat bottom, I guess, and it was an ABCD pattern on the 5. I got in right here, and we dropped. We retested, but then we got the drop back down. It was kind of choppy around here, but we got that clear pattern, and then the drop there. So that was that, and then now we'll get into the metrics. This is from the 22nd. I'll bring it back to this week. This week I did fairly well, even though the metrics for the monetary value is not good. This is good. This is good. I'm happy with this, even though it's not that big of a loss, but it's pretty good. This helps improve this. That's why I'm not really worried about it. This is good. This is good. I'm proud of these. I'm not really proud of this, but this will fix itself as I keep getting better at this stuff. Which if I do what I'm doing right now, I feel like I'll always keep these doing good. The rest, this will just increase as I increase my share size, and I'm gonna do that once I get another 50 trades in, to see where I am at with my metrics on this. And I might be able to increase with larger share size than just 200, probably 250 maybe, 300, who knows. But for right now, this is where I'm at on the week. We had a pretty good move up, drop down, and then good clear up. And then if we bring this back to when I started following these exact rules, you can see we make some moves, drop down a little bit, make some moves, drop down a little bit, make some moves, drop down a little bit, and then get back to making some moves. So we have this wave pattern, which is consistency, and I'm pretty proud of that. This is for total my total trading. This is good. These are all good metrics right here. I'm proud of them. There's really not much else I should be doing, I guess. I'm doing pretty well. I guess I trade better later in the day, to be honest. It's because I let these setups run or do their thing, and I feel pretty good about that. So these metrics I'm feeling pretty good about. I don't know. This is sick. Like me getting all this right now, um, doing this well. I feel pretty good. And right now on my iPad, the 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 statistics I have written down for each of my trades. Um, I have a rule for 100 trades, or for 10 trades I make $100. My first 10 trades I hit it. My second 10 trades, which was 20, I hit it. My 30th trade I did not hit it. I think I went negative by a couple bit. And then 40, I hit it with extra on the table, and now I'm at 46, and I'm not sure. So I have 4 more trades to get to that $100 goal. So we'll see what happens with that. Guys, I'm done for today. Thank you guys.